Like with any of these teas, please ask your doctor before you take this if you are sick or taking any medication, okay? Dill is a very beneficial herb for your health. For starters, it is loaded in antioxidants. It's got all kinds of flavonoids in it. It's great for your heart, for your brain, helps in preventing strokes. It has calcium, so it's good for your bones. It's got a vitamin A and vitamin C. It's got some iron in it. Also, it's very good for digestion. If you've got diarrhea, it'll help you with that, and also bloating and gas. It lowers cholesterol, and it does also control the glucose in your blood, so it helps with diabetes. Very nice herb. It's nicely washed. We're going to put it in this little pitcher. I'm going to add about a cup of water, boiling water. I'm going to cover it and let it steep for about 5 minutes. I don't sweeten my teas, but if you'd like to sweeten yours, you can use stevia or honey, whatever you want. To our health, guys. This is a nice, pleasant tea, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.